It's a great theological thing in his mind. And his great concern is for the name of his great God. I worship you, Lord. I trust you. I believe in you. I don't doubt in you for a moment. But Lord, I can't understand what you're about to do. He's not questioning God's honor. He's not questioning God's integrity, but he cannot understand how these things can happen and why God should allow them to happen, because he's concerned about God's integrity. He's not afraid that God's going to make a mistake, but he just doesn't understand it. And so he says, well, I'm going to wait and see. But let us look at verse 13 in chapter 1 first. And let's really understand what it is that he's questioning. Chapter 1, verse 13. Thou art of purer eyes than to behold evil. There's no question about that. And canst not look on iniquity? Wherefore lookest thou upon them that deal treacherously, and holdest thy tongue when the wicked devoureth the man that is more righteous than he? As Habakkuk saw it, Judah, with all of her faults, and she deserved to be spanked, she deserved to be crushed, she deserved to be corrected, she deserved the judgments of his wrath. But aren't the Chaldeans even worse? They're worse in every sense. Moral, ethically, religiously, in every sense. And ruthless. And Lord, how come? And what will the outcome be? And what is his concern? That the outcome will be God's honor, God's glory, God's fame. How great thou art. Then in chapter 2, you remember that God answers him, and he assures the prophet that the Chaldeans shall not go unpunished. Don't think, Habakkuk, because I'm letting them come over and crush Judah, that they're not going to get it. Oh, are they going to get it? But I want you to know that I know what they are. You don't have to tell me. I know what they are. And I know what's going to happen to that nation. And it will.